Alright, well, welcome back to my channel. It's Isaac. It's vlog number 2. We got Ashley. We got Ryan. We got Miriam. And then we're all orange because At Fenton Pride, supposedly. We got Mr. McDunn here. He's my favorite teacher.
Yeah.
This Siggy. Swole hours. I'm wearing this. Wearing a shirt, a sweater, and then this giant, thick, triple large shirt that they think our school thinks are fat. We got Steph.
Piece of gum.
We got Daisy.
Let's play
It's funny.
Uno.
It's so funny.
Let's play Uno.
Let's play
Stop.
Okay, well, you missed it, but I got her bag, and then I popped it, and popcorn went flying. I should have recorded it. I didn't know I was going to do that. We'll do it with this one. Uno, red.
I don't have that. Yes. Yes.
Swearing, please.
Oh, Uno out.
I won. Steph, I'm going to throw hot Cheetos on you. Steph. It's Tyler. He's just a black screen. He's just, because he doesn't want to be shown on camera, so, yeah. And that's you. That's, what the, that is, okay, I thought you were kidding with.
That was going to video in your intro to tech class. So you shoot.
Dude, I can't on here.
You're going for what phone?
I can't on my phone either.
Freak. Okay, I have to do my phone, man.
Why?
Wait, there. He wasn't lying when he says he's an actual movie actor. Thank you, Matt.
Short film teaser 2012.
Now, I eat nuts. All right, guys. Say bye.
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 Let's see how many of your viewers know this.
Okay, that's a real.